As Tunisia grapples with a severe water crisis, the agricultural sector teeters on the brink of disaster. But in the face of adversity, a new wave of tech entrepreneurs has emerged, armed with innovative solutions to combat water scarcity. How can cutting-edge technologies like smart irrigation devices, AI-powered drones, and soil sensors empower farmers to thrive amidst dwindling water resources? Can these advancements provide a lifeline for Tunisia's agriculture, ensuring food security and economic stability? Stay tuned for a journey through the intersection of ancient land and modern technology as we explore how innovation is reshaping the desert and revolutionizing water management. In Tunisia, the relentless impact of drought and water scarcity has put the country's agriculture industry at risk. As the nation endures its fourth consecutive year of drought, Tunisian entrepreneurs are stepping up to the challenge. By leveraging innovative technologies and data-driven solutions, these tech pioneers are equipping farmers with the tools they need to adapt to the worsening water crisis. Among these entrepreneurs is Cumulus Water, a Tunisian startup that has developed a groundbreaking machine capable of extracting water from the sun and air. In this video, we will explore how ancient irrigation practices have paved the way for new water technologies, with a focus on Cumulus Water's sustainable invention. The water crisis in Tunisia. Tunisia is a country which is heavily reliant on its agriculture sector for food security and economic stability, and is currently grappling with a formidable challenge: the scarcity of water. The nation's dams have depleted or dried up, leaving the water reserves at a mere 30% of their maximum capacity. This drastic depletion has had a severe impact on the agriculture sector, which consumes a staggering 80% of Tunisia's available water resources. Consequently, farmers are now facing the harsh reality of poor crop yields, and agricultural experts predict a disastrous grain harvest for the upcoming season. The diminishing water supplies have triggered a domino effect of problems, imperiling both the livelihoods of farmers and the overall food security of the nation. The situation demands immediate action to mitigate the devastating consequences that Tunisia's agricultural landscape faces. Acknowledging the urgency, a wave of innovative tech entrepreneurs has emerged to tackle the water scarcity issue head-on. These forward-thinking individuals understand that technology can play a pivotal role in helping farmers adapt and cope with the dwindling water resources. Startups such as Azera and RoboCare have introduced cutting-edge tools and technologies, including smart irrigation devices, soil sensors, weather stations, and AI-powered drones. These advancements empower farmers to optimize their agricultural practices, maximize crop yields, and minimize water consumption. However, while technology can provide short-term relief, experts emphasize the need for more comprehensive and systemic changes. Adel Ben Youssef, an esteemed economics professor and former climate finance negotiator for Tunisia, highlights the importance of implementing broader reforms to address the root causes of the water crisis. Upgrading dilapidated water networks, curbing wastage through leak prevention, and harnessing alternative water sources such as rainwater and wastewater can complement technological solutions and ensure long-term water sustainability. The water crisis in Tunisia serves as a stark reminder of the growing threat of water scarcity, not only within the country, but also on a global scale. It underscores the urgent need for innovative and sustainable solutions to address this critical issue. Through the collaborative efforts of entrepreneurs, policymakers, and communities, it is possible to navigate the challenges posed by water scarcity, safeguard food production, and ensure access to this precious resource for generations to come. Tech entrepreneurs to the rescue. Amidst a dire water crisis in Tunisia, a glimmer of hope emerges as tech entrepreneurs step forward to confront the challenge head-on. These innovative individuals understand the power of technology in mitigating the impact of water scarcity on farmers, as we have seen earlier about Azera and RoboCare. Azera, founded in 2016, has made significant strides in assisting farmers through its agricultural technology systems. Their offerings include smart irrigation services, soil sensors, and weather stations, all integrated into a comprehensive system. Additionally, their mobile app provides valuable data about crops and weather conditions, empowering farmers to make informed decisions. With 73 customers in Tunisia, ranging from smallholder farms to large-scale operations, Azera's technology has already made a tangible difference. Farmers like Mahmoud Bouassida have reported a 30% increase in crop yields and a 20% reduction in water consumption since adopting Azera's system in 2020. This success story sets an example to the transformative potential of technology in the face of water scarcity. RoboCare, another Tunisian startup, tackles water wastage during irrigation through the use of AI-powered drones equipped with spectral cameras. By identifying areas of water wastage and detecting diseases in plants and trees, RoboCare's innovative solution helps farmers optimize their irrigation practices and minimize water usage. The adoption of such advanced technology not only addresses immediate water scarcity challenges, but also promotes long-term sustainability and profitability for farmers. These tech-driven interventions provide a lifeline to Tunisia's agriculture sector, helping farmers navigate the challenging landscape of water scarcity. By incorporating data-driven insights and automation, these startups enable farmers to maximize productivity while minimizing their water footprint. While the efforts of tech entrepreneurs offer promising solutions, it is essential to remember that technology alone cannot solve the underlying issues. Adel Ben Youssef, an economics professor and former climate finance negotiator for Tunisia, emphasizes the importance of broader reforms in water management. Upgrading water networks, reducing leaks, and exploring alternative water sources like rainwater and wastewater are integral components of a comprehensive approach to tackling the water crisis. The combination of technological innovation and systemic reforms holds the key to addressing the water crisis in Tunisia. By harnessing the potential of these solutions and fostering collaboration between entrepreneurs, policymakers, and farmers, Tunisia can pave the way toward a more sustainable and resilient future, ensuring both food security and water availability for generations to come. Introducing Cumulus Water. One standout startup in Tunisia is Cumulus Water, which has developed a revolutionary machine capable of extracting water from the sun and air. This machine, called the Cumulus One Atmospheric Water Generator, AWG, aims to provide safe and stable drinking water economically and sustainably. The company has targeted not only areas suffering from water scarcity, but also schools, villages, offices, and hotels to reduce the use of plastic bottled water. How Cumulus One works. The Cumulus One machine operates by allowing air to pass through filters that remove pollutants and cool the air, causing the water vapor to condense. This condensed water is then collected into a water tank after passing through additional filtration processes to ensure its safety for drinking. The machine is fully autonomous, easy to transport, and simple to set up and maintain. Its innovative design, created by interior and product designer Zohair Ben Janet, makes it compact and visually appealing, fitting in a 1 3 cube. Solving water scarcity sustainably. The solution provided by Cumulus Water addresses the problem of limited water resources in a way that is both environmentally responsible and environmentally sustainable. The Cumulus One machine is able to function without relying on goods that are detrimental to the natural environment because it uses solar energy as its major source of power. This technology offers a solution that will last for a long time for areas that are suffering from drought. In addition to lowering the amount of waste plastic produced, it also gives a reliable source of clean drinking water. Implications and potential. Beyond Tunisia, the unique method that Cumulus Water has developed has the potential to help solve the worldwide water crisis. It is of the utmost importance to find long-term solutions to water issues, as there are currently 1.1 billion people who do not have access to water and 2.7 billion who experience water scarcity on an annual basis. Cumulus Water is able to make a contribution toward reducing the negative effects of water scarcity around the world by offering an alternative to conventional water sources that is both cost-effective and kind to the environment. The linked machine developed by the new company, which comes with sensors and a mobile application, allows for effective monitoring of both the production of water and its quality. Tunisian tech entrepreneurs have demonstrated their commitment to tackling water scarcity head-on, utilizing technology to create practical solutions for farmers and communities in need. Cumulus Water's innovative machine stands as a testament to the power of ancient irrigation practices, inspiring new water technologies that can mitigate the impact of drought and water scarcity. With its ability to extract water from the sun and air, Cumulus Water Solution offers hope for a future where access to clean drinking water becomes a reality for all, regardless of geographic location or environmental conditions. That's it for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you know some more techniques related to water conservation, don't forget to share it in the comments. And also, subscribe to our channel.